Number 72. What is the specific gravity of mercury, the liquid used in thermometers, if it has a density of 13.6 grams per milliliter? And B, what is the density of ethanol if it has a specific gravity of 0.789? Now, specific gravity is defined on page 30 of your textbook, so I'll show you that. Here it is. It's simply a ratio of the density of a substance over the density of water. So if the specific gravity of a substance is 2, that means it's twice the density of water. If its specific gravity is 4.5, then its density is 4.5 times that of water. So it's a pretty simple relation. Now, the problem asks for the specific gravity of mercury, the liquid used in thermometers, if it has a density of 13.6 grams per milliliter. So again, the equation for specific gravity is simply the density of the substance in question divided by the density of water. Now, for part A, the specific gravity would be the density of the mercury, Hg, over the density of water, and that's going to be equal to 13.6 grams per milliliter. And then the density of water, you remember in table 1.6, Table 1.6 lists densities of several substances, and you'll find water in there. So the density of water is 1.00 grams per milliliter. Water has a nice density, just 1. Okay, so that goes in the denominator, 1.00 grams per milliliter, and you can see the units canceling off, and then you have 13.6 over 1, so that's simply 13.6. So the specific gravity of a substance is really, if you're told the density of a substance, then its specific gravity is the same number, you just take away the unit. Okay, so it's 13.6, but there are no units. Specific gravity is unitless because the units cancel. So that's part A. Part B. What's B say? What is the density of ethanol if it has a specific gravity of 0.789? So you're told the specific gravity, so what's its density? Well, you just slap on the units, right? 0.789 grams per milliliter. So you remember the specific here, you just slap on the units. Let's just do that, and we'll make sure the density of ethanol. So ethanol is 0.789 grams per milliliter. And just to make sure that's correct, remember specific gravity is the same thing as the density of the substance, which is ethanol over the density of the water. Now we're told the specific gravity is 0.789, and we're looking for the density, but we know the density of water from table 1.6 is 1 gram per milliliter, and so we can solve for the density of ethanol. So the density of, get back here. Where'd it go? There we go. So the density of ethanol is going to be 0.789 times 1.00 grams per milliliter. So we just move this to the other side. So 0.789 times 1 is simply 0.789. And now you have the units though, grams per milliliter. So